Been there, done that.
Jesus. It's just smoking out through there. There's your circle, see it?
What do you mean?
Look at it rotating right there. See how the clouds are turning in right there? See how the white clouds are going in the back?
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
right there. It's right there.
It is.
It's rotating.
I know, baby.
You like to edit. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm not gonna edit the sound. I will be surprised. Oh my word.
Jesus Christ, I've never seen it like that. There's your circle. Look at it on your right side. Look at it starting to pull in a circle right there.
This is the creepiest thing I've ever
There
seen.
goes your, see that thing that burned out? That was a transformer, electrical power just burned out. A big transformer.
Yeah, it's just about to hit the airport. And it's pulling in more clouds with it. There goes something else.
See them big flashes?
Yeah,
That's the
yeah.
power going. Wow. Getting smoke. That thing is fast. You want to go to the west bedroom and look at it? And then,
Yeah.
then condos run away.
I thought it would be like some little tiny thing on the horizon.